Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this afternoon's update on Winter Storm Kingston. So we have yet another cross-country winter storm to discuss in this afternoon's update. And taking a look at our 12Z run of the GFS model, already seeing some snow spreading across the Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies this afternoon from Winter Storm Kingston, and the snow will continue to spread to the east as we go through the evening, overnight, and through the day Monday. And then as we go into Tuesday morning around 7 a.m. Central Time, going to start to see light to moderate snow across areas of Kansas and Missouri with freezing rain in north central Oklahoma. And then as we go through the day Tuesday, snow will increase in coverage and intensity into Missouri, northern Arkansas, into south central Illinois. And then going into about 7 p.m. Tuesday evening, going to be seeing a lot of heavy snow from Kansas through western Kentucky with freezing rain in south central Oklahoma and Arkansas. And then this will continue through the overnight. The snow will spread to the east, going to about 4 to 5 a.m. Wednesday morning, seeing a lot of heavy snow in areas like Kentucky, Tennessee, moderate snow in areas like Illinois, Indiana, southwestern Ohio, West Virginia, freezing rain in northern Mississippi and Alabama. And then as we're waking up Wednesday morning, waking up to a lot of heavy snow in Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana, maybe as far south as northern Georgia and Alabama in the 7 to 8 a.m. Wednesday morning. And then snow will spread across the mid-Atlantic as we go through the day Wednesday into about noon to 4 o'clock Eastern time in the afternoon. Very heavy snow across the Delmarva, Virginia, southern New Jersey, freezing rain and sleet in central North Carolina. And then this is where our storm gets interesting going into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Could be seeing the potential for a nor'easter to impact areas of southeastern New England through the day Thursday. This trend's going to have to be watched closely. So taking a look at our snowfall accumulations in the 12Z run of the GFS model, looking at about 1 to 3 feet of snowfall accumulations across the Cascades, the Northern Rockies, and areas especially in Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. And then across the Central Plains, we're looking at about 6 to 12 inches of snowfall accumulation through South Dakota, Nebraska, and Kansas. And then in eastern Kansas, central and southern southwestern Missouri especially, could be seeing a bullseye of snow set up of about 12 to 21 inches. This would be quite a bit of snow if this were to verify for this area especially, potentially in the northeastern Oklahoma, northern Arkansas as well. Then across the Ohio-Tennessee Valley, about 5 to 10 inches of snow. Across Tennessee, about 2 to 5 inches. Northwestern North Carolina, 2 to 5 inches. And then across Virginia and the Delmarva, southern New Jersey, as much as 6 inches to a foot of snow in the 12Z run of the GFS model. These snowfall accumulations could push further north into major cities like New York City, Hartford, Providence, Boston, and Philadelphia if our nor'easter actually ends up forming Thursday. So taking a look at snowfall accumulations in the European model, pretty much the same thing across the Cascades, Rockies, northern areas of Montana through Idaho and Wyoming of about 1 to 3 feet. Less across the Central Plains of about 5 to 10 inches. A little less in Missouri, northern Arkansas, Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas of about 7 inches to 14 inches. And about 5 to 10 inches through the Ohio-Tennessee Valley, but a lot more across the Delmarva. Could be seeing as much as a foot to 2 feet of snow in some areas of eastern Virginia, southern Maryland, Delaware, and New Jersey, as the European model is picking up on more of a significant nor'easter than the GFS. And then about 2 to 4 inches of snow in areas further south across northern Mississippi, Alabama, southern Arkansas, through Tennessee. And then we could be seeing 3 to 5 inches of snow in the European model in Boston, Providence, Hartford, through New York City, up to 8 inches in Philly, and 8 inches in Washington, D.C. And looking at our Canadian model, looking at similar snowfall accumulations as the European and GFS across the mountainous areas of the Cascades, Northern Rockies, through the plains, about 5 to 12 inches of snow, southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, or Oklahoma and Arkansas, southeastern Kansas, of 8 to 12 inches of snow, Across the Tennessee-Ohio Valley, 3 to 8 inches of snow, so a little bit less than the other two models, and a lot less than the Delmarva. Localized totals of 6 to 18 inches in southeastern Virginia and North Carolina only in the Canadian solution. And taking a look at our ice accretion in the GFS model, going to be seeing about a glaze to a tenth of an inch of ice accretion through central Oklahoma, Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and Alabama, and then across North Carolina, maybe as much as a quarter to half an inch of ice accretion. So we could be seeing more of a significant ice storm here from Winter Storm Kingston. So thanks for watching this afternoon's update on Winter Storm Kingston. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.